All right. This is part one of the follow-up on my shoe goo boot repair of my Altama boots. I say part one because I'm going to put them on and wear them today. That looks like on camera. Yeah, that looks good. Sorry about that. As you can see, this was the major one here that I repaired. Had a big crack in it. Had a huge crack in it right there. And also had a little hole in the heel. Looks good. Today is Thursday, by the way. It's been 3 days since I did the repair. Here's the other side. This one just barely starting a crevice. So anyway, it seems pretty flexible. But as I said, I'm gonna. This is part one. This is the first part of the results. I will wear them today. I'm going to put them on and wear them all day and do another part of this later. And then upload it tonight because tomorrow is No Tech Friday. Alright folks, here is, I've been wearing this all day long. It's 5:20, so I've had them on about 8 hours or so. I can't see any separation, even zoomed in there. I think it's staying sealed. That was the big crack there. That's my left foot. I gotta change sides for my right foot. Let's see here. I can get it in the camera. Right, looks good. I don't think it's come away from the. I don't think it pulled away from the shoe, the sole. I can't tell. I can't feel it pulled away. Well, there you go. I used to work for a while, huh? Alright, SL's Prepping and Survival. Hope you enjoyed it. Get you some shoe goo for your kits. Have it on hand. Signing off. Hey folks. This is another boot repair with shoe goo. You see right there, these are proper boots. I did a video on these originally when I got them a few years ago. They're good summer boots. They're not waterproof, but they're lightweight and they breathe well. But in any case, the right boot has this issue going on here. It's actually 2 layers down. Already done a little trim with the scissors. So what I'm going to do, I hope I can get it on video, is put some shoe goo in there. Anyway, let's give it a shot. What I have to do, I go in there kind of deep and put some layer there and then kind of pull it together. I don't know how that's going to work. We'll see. Okay, the end of the video didn't work out so well. I had it out of frame. So this is what it looks like. The proper boot, proper brand boot looks like after I glued it down. Yeah, it looks like crap, but it's glued down. I mean, it doesn't look any worse than it did before, because the other time, before, you could tell it was coming apart. So one right, just helped keep debris out. But anyway, there you go. I'm going to just kind of add that in.